보라색. 보라색. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to discuss about the word sek. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 300. Sek. Sek. This is pronounced as a one-syllable word. Again, it's sek. The word sek is simply the Korean term for color. Again, sek is color in Korean. How do you write sek in Hangul? This is composed of 3 characters. The first character is siyot, it's followed by an e character, and followed by a giyok character. So we just have to combine these 3 characters to write sek in Hangul. And if you'd remember, this is the term we have shown at the beginning of our video. And we have sek at the ending, because this is actually a specific color, which is purple. So, bora is purple and sek pertains to color. So when we say bora sek, we are pertaining to a purple color. Again, bora sek is simply the purple color. And with that, you've just learned sek. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 290 to 299. But don't forget our word for today, word number 300, sek, which means color. The first word for our review is word number 299, talgi, which means strawberry. Word number 298 is bepu, which means best friend. Word number 297 is moja, which means hat or cap. Word number 296 is chaida, which means to be dumped or kicked. Word number 295 is streamy, which means hobby. Word number 294 is hamke, which means together. Word number 293 is chima, which means skirt. Word number 292 is mulgogi, which means fish. Word number 291 is sori, which means sound. And the last word for our review is word number 290, Mianhae, which means I'm sorry. Congratulations, because you have learned 300 words so far. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is our 300th word. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking our videos. Goodbye and see you on the next videos.